We want to differentiate y equals tan x. We should know that tan x is sin x divided by cos x. This is a quotient. A quotient, remember, is y equals u over v, where u and v are functions of x. The quotient formula is that dy dx is equal to v times du dx, take away u times dv dx, all divided by v squared. So u is equal to sin x, and v is equal to cos x. Du dx then is cos x, and dv dx is equal to minus sin x. So let's use the quotient formula. Dy dx is going to be v times du dx, cos x times cos x, is cos squared x. Take away u times dv dx, sin x times minus sin x is minus sin squared x, all divided by v squared, which is cos squared x. This gives us cos squared x plus sin squared x over cos squared x. Cos squared plus sin squared we should know is identical to 1, so we have 1 over cos squared x, and we can write this as sec squared x, since we know that sec x is 1 over cos x. So the differential of tan x is sec squared x, and this is a standard result that is usually in formula booklets.